Alright, doctor's appointment is done for now. I gotta go get some blood work done next week. Got my physical done at least, so that's good. Everything sounds good so far. So yeah, we are just getting gas and we're going camping. Yeah, we're finally gonna go to Golden that I said I've been going to for weeks now. We're going this time. Man, I love this drive. Never gets old. Holy cow. Beautiful. With all the snow in the mountains still and everything. Nice. Just stopped for some construction or something. Still have about an hour till we get to Golden area. Just sharing a Timmy's donut with Uma. Come. Okay. So yeah, hopefully we get there sooner than later. Alright, not as busy as I was expecting. I forgot about the hour time change. Oops. So yeah, it's 4:20. How about that? And yeah, so we're just going to take a walk around and see what campsites are available. Might just stay here right by the river. It's a nice spot. I don't think it's a legal spot, but it's a nice spot. Right, this works for me. I like it. Right by the river, mountains. And got a little bit of sunshine poking through. Nice. Yeah, I think I can get used to sleeping beside that sound for the night, for a couple nights, or many nights. I got like a week's worth of food, if not more, so yeah, I just have to play it by ear. Like I said, I have to go back to Revelstoke at some point for a blood test, but I don't think I have to rush to do that. He didn't find anything major. Of course, it's all good. So yeah, we are here, and it's free. I love it. You see all the stickers I put up? I love that one. And goats on a roof. Of course, all the ones from Chrome. Only Vans. Cruisy Bear. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to finish getting set up. And, oh yeah, like I said, I got those 3 things from Amazon to open up and show you. All van stuff. Well, good morning, guys. What a great night's sleep that was, listening to the babbling brook all night long. It was awesome. What a sleep. So peaceful here. I love it. So anyway, let's get to some packages opening up. Show you all the stuff that I got for the van. Some much needed fixes. It's a big box for a little box, holy cow. These should be magnets. Yeah. These are a bunch of magnets. Oh, man, they're strong, holy cow. Anyhow, they go underneath my side skirts. I've lost a bunch of the magnets over the years. So I'm going to have to figure out some way to either rivet these or screw these since they already have a hole in them. That'll work out perfect. See with the hole. Yeah, nice and strong magnets anyway. And this one is 20 feet of red and black solar panel cables with the, what are they, the MC4 connectors. Because yeah, I have a 10 foot one already, but the sometimes it's just not long enough, so I thought I'd grab a 20 foot. Now that way I could bring it all the way to the front here from my connector at the back of the van when I'm plugging in to charge my batteries. So I can get solar out front. Which way's the sun here today? So yeah, I think the sun goes straight over this way. So I might be able to set the solar panels up on this picnic table even later on. Beautiful. And this last little thing, these are little 90-degree USB connectors. So at the back with the mattress topper on top, I have USB connectors that are connecting things at the back there. I might as well just show you. What the heck? Alright, so like I've explained before, my mattress comes in 4 different sections. You know, one of the reasons it's like a Murphy bed, this middle part folds up and then all the 4 mattress pieces stack up over there against the wall. And as well as being able to access this little area under here and keep a lot of parts in that I don't use too often. So I can get in there. But anyway, here's all my USB stuff. And I already had this connector. That's for the 12 volt fan for the inverter. So it only comes on when I have the inverter on. This is my Starlink. And this is a 10-foot cable that runs all the way under my bed and charges my phone at the head there. But you can see how torn up it is from the mattress going up and down. So with one of these USB cables, it should fix the problem. All right, so with this USB 90-degree connector, I can hopefully plug that into there and then plug this cable. I do have a new one that I'm going to put in because this one's all janked up, and put it in there so it's not sticking out quite as far or damaging the cable. So yeah, I'm going to do that and fix the flaps. So yeah, the screws are under here, so I should look for the screws as well. But anyhow, those are my 3 things that I got to fix today, or repair. I guess I don't have to fix the solar panel cables. But yeah, I guess maybe I should set those up. It's supposed to rain later, but looking pretty damn nice right now. Alright, so there's the final product. That cable is nicely out of the way now. The cable's not going to get torn apart. When I pull the mattress up and down, this one's nice and flat. I really like the way this one sits. So now I just have to unplug my Starlink cable all the time when I lift the thing. But that's not too bad. It doesn't take long for it to boot up at all. I love this Starlink Mini running on 12 volts. It's running 24 hours all the time. And it only uses 2 amps on 12 volts, which is freaking awesome. So yeah, those are my fixes, and I think I found some screws for the magnets. So let's see if we can fix that. Alright, so these magnets for the skirt. Well, one rusty magnet still holding on there. And this one's completely gone on that side. So I'm going to figure I'm going to drill out that rivet and just replace it with the magnet. Alright, well that took a lot of work, but I got the rivet drilled out of the hole. Now I got to see if I can find some Loctite. I just found some tiny little screws and nuts, but hopefully that'll be strong enough to hold. If it works well, I might even replace that rusty one, just because I'm down here and I got the tools out, so why not? Alright, I think we have success. And it worked. It's a nice strong magnet too, so yeah. You really have to... Nice. I am going to replace the front one now too, definitely. I love it when a plan comes together. That worked out great. So replace that one. Replace that one. And you can hear it. Oh yeah. Nice click. It's almost a little too strong, but that's okay, because it's supposed to keep it down when it's windy out and when you're driving. But yeah, Much better. I like it. Now to go investigate the other side. Oh, I think it's raining out actually. Might have to put a hold on that one. Ah, well, damn, I just remembered the other thing I forgot to order. I've seen a lot of people put J channel at the top there, just above the sliding door, for a makeshift eaves trough, because the awning, you can see the gap in the awning there. So rain still gets down there and it drips inside when you open up the door, which is a bit of a pain. So yeah, that's my only other fix that I know of right now. Is that it, Uma? Is that all I gotta do? Stay. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. I need your guys' help. I got a couple of logos that I did on ChatGPT. Which one do you think's the best? I'll put them up and I'll number them 1 through 4. I think I only got 4 right now. I'm trying to come up with a new logo to make stickers or whatever. Give out some merch. Yeah, that is it for this week, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And we'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys.